So today I'm going to talk about the David's Tea Jasmine Creme Brulee. So this is 2 ounces of tea. It comes in this green packaging here, at least mine did, but they have so many different amounts and different packaging, so I would definitely look into that, especially if you're trying to give this as a gift. It's nice because it seals shut with this Ziploc thing. I just poured some out, so I did not take care of that part. But yes, so it's also called, they gave it a nickname, Cream Come True, which is fun. It has a moderate caffeine level, although it is green tea. And keep in mind that green tea and black tea have very different caffeine levels. So I usually put about 2 spoonfuls of this in my tea, and I usually let it steep to about 4 to 7 minutes, but it really depends. This one in particular, I put in a strainer, and I usually leave it in the longest I can because it absorbs very slowly, so it takes a lot of time to really, steep and work its magic. But when you wait with it and you let it steep for a bit, afterwards it's just so worth it. It's like this creamy flavor, and it has apple and jasmine tea, rosehip shells, pineapple sugar, sweet blackberry leaves, marigold flowers, natural and artificial flavoring, and it's just a very satisfying flavor. And I poured some into this cup so you can see how beautiful the colors are. So this is what it looks like. Some of them are kind of chunky, but it all is so wonderful together. Like the taste, the flavors together just are so nice, and it's so fruity, and it tastes very sweet, but not to the point where it's too much. So this is great for after dinner if you're like, you're still talking to your guests, but you want something that is like a treat, or maybe an afternoon snack even. I love this tea so much, and it just is such a nice sweet drink. Obviously, if you're going for something that is herbal or just very straightforward black tea, green tea, you probably wouldn't want this. This is more of a snazzy tea, and it is good as well as a cold beverage, so you can make it all hot and steep it and then put it in the refrigerator for a bit and make it into iced tea. And I often do that. I'll pour it out of a pitcher, so it's more like a fun, especially in the summertime here. It is so hot out, and all I want to do is drink something really cold, not something really hot, and this is a really good choice if you want to make your own iced tea. It's very satisfying, and it's definitely a great gift for a tea lover. It's made in China, and it has 0 calories, so if you're trying to watch your weight. Also, 1 serving size is 1 cup, so just in case you were wondering. And then it has about 23 servings per container, so that's how much is in here, which is pretty good actually when you think about it, because that's 23 cups basically. It's made by David's Tea, and they specialize in specialty tea everywhere. So they're actually based in Montreal, and they are the largest specialty tea company in Canada right now. So they were founded in 2008, and they are just really creative with their flavors, as you can see. I mean, who comes up with this? What genius comes up with this, right? Definitely check their products out, and definitely try this one. I hope that this video was helpful, and I hope you're gonna go drink some tea now. Thanks again.